Have you ever heard of or seen a Bumperneck Toyhauler? Well, you are today. This is a half bumper pull, half gooseneck toy hauler. It tows much better than a bumper pull and has a lower overall height than a normal fifth wheel. This trailer here does have a mini split unit installed on it, and let's show you the magic. Built and designed to haul two side-by-sides currently and a Jeep here in the future. We have a Lippert 3000 Series Patio Kit on the rear, a 3-season folding door. These have glass windows and screens so you can let the air in on a nice day. A backup camera up above. This trailer does have our Mocha interior cabinetry with beautiful butcher block upgraded countertops throughout. These overhead cabinets are raised to the ceiling here. You've got an undermount sink here, single basin, with a nice pull-down wand, a 3-burner chef-style collection cooktop, a microwave, a TV that hangs down here from the ceiling. It is a remote-operated mount, full-depth drawers in the kitchen, DVD player, mini split unit here on the wall. This is an 18,000 BTU mini split unit, so it does heat and cool. Heated tanks, tankless water heater. You've got dimmers here on these ceiling lights. This trailer is also outfitted with a 400-watt solar kit on the roof. You've got a pantry here with pull-out drawers. Pretty neat. 10 cubic foot fridge freezer to keep your food cold. And our bathroom is up here in the front. We've got a 3x3 residential Home Depot shower stall, a fantastic fan, and a large vanity here across this passenger side wall with plenty of storage. We've got a huge king size bed here. This is a residential king bed here on the Happy Jack beds in the back. In here we have our 300 amp hour lithium battery, our 50 amp EMS surge protector, a big sewer hose carrier. We've got a hot and cold spray port here with a hose fitting. Rinse things off. Triple 7K axles with your Road Armor shock absorbing equalizers for a better suspension. Your fuel pump station here, and a ladder to take you to the roof. So this trailer here had a dry weight of 10,000 pounds, a pin weight of 1,900 pounds, 25 feet of cargo, 17 to the first cabinet, and is a one-of-a-kind beauty built here in Mesa, Arizona at Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. These happy customers are heading back to Clio, California. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. Contact us anytime with questions. Have a great day.